Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back to Duct Tape FPV. And again, I'm here with Just Hack It. And today we're going to show you another awesome product from HGLRC. And this is the product today. This is the HGLRC Drashark. All right, so when you get your box, you're going to open it up, and this is what's going to be inside. You're going to get your TPU battery holder. This is for a 1S battery. You're going to get your Drashark and some biprops. We'll start right here with the motors. These are Spectre 1002 2100 kV motors. They have 1610 biprops from GemFan. The power goes in there and it feeds everything. Everything is placed on that one board. So on this one board, you have obviously your Cadex camera and your antenna, which is tied into the 200 milliwatt VTX. Then you have your Express LRS receiver, and then you have your gyro, which is a BMI 270 gyro. You have your F411 chip, your processing chip, which is how fast this can run PIV loops and make calculations and such. The ESC itself comes flash with BlueJay, so that means you can run bidirectional B-shot. It's got onboard flash, so you can go ahead and you know, save your logs, tune your drone, go back, make your adjustments, see how it's reacting. I mean, 16 megabytes of onboard flash for this is awesome. You can see these Spectre motors here. They're attached by plugs. They're not soldered to the board, so change is super easy. 1, 2, 3 screws, pop the wire, motor's done. This is your micro USB cable connection. You can see it's at a 90 degree off of the board. It's tucked in there, nice and flush with the frame, so you're not going to break it. You're not going to hit anything. And the board this runs is a Zeus ES25, I believe, and that's a 5 amp ESC on there, which means it runs single cell batteries. 1S 550 miles, what they suggest.
All the memories we made under the summer sun, chasing after waves, a taste of beer.